having an issue. So if we click on this, nothing is working. So the input device the keyboard should disappear. So we should have to change it so that when we click outside it, the input device should disappear. To do that is that we can wrap everything here. Wrap the widget with a gesture detector, and on here we have so let's try this again. So that's working. We can actually check the kind of focus we have in there before this moving there. Since we might be using this function everywhere in the app, so let's fly the function first. Then we can know what to do with this. We'll move it to utils. We already have that. So we can just check if okay. So we're saying if current focus has a primary focus, current focus dot on focus. So can do it this way, and then so copy this, go over to our utils. Let's call this helper. Have that in here. So let's try that again. And it's working as expected. So